Let's highlight some lesser known keyboard shortcuts because a lot of us already know the keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+C for copy and Ctrl+S for save. Here are some lesser known keyboard shortcuts that a lot of people are unfamiliar with. So we're going to start out with, I've got some text typed up here, line spacing. There are keyboard shortcuts to do line spacing. These keyboard shortcuts can be Ctrl+1, Ctrl+2, or Ctrl+5. If I hit Ctrl+5, I get 1.5 space line spacing. If I can Ctrl+1, it's single space. Ctrl+2 is double space. So I can very quickly just highlight text and change to the command that I need. Another keyboard shortcut that's really useful, again, is increase and decrease font sizes. I can come up here and increase my font sizes like I normally would through the commands, but I can also come through, highlight all my text, and I can use the control and the brackets to increase or decrease font size by 1 point for every time I press. So it's very quick and easy to increase and decrease font sizes with the control and brackets. The last one is alignments. Left align, right align, and center. By default, it's automatically left aligned. So if I highlight some text and I hit Ctrl+R, it's going to right align. Ctrl+L will left align. Center is a little tricky because Ctrl+C is copy. This one is Ctrl+E, and it will center. So Ctrl+L, Ctrl+R, and Ctrl+E for our alignments.